graphics cards process and render visuals, improving gaming, video editing, and display performance. My today's video is about top 5 best computer graphics card that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS computer graphics card. This graphics card delivers strong next-generation performance, powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 technology. With up to 767 AI TOPS, it is built to handle advanced gaming, AI workloads, and creative applications efficiently. The boost clock reaches up to 2632 MHz in OC mode, with a default speed of 2602 MHz, ensuring smooth and responsive performance across demanding tasks. Its SFF-ready design also makes it suitable for compact enthusiast PC builds without compromising power. Cooling is well optimized thanks to the axial tech fan design. The smaller fan hub allows for longer blades, while the barrier ring increases downward air pressure, improving heat dissipation and maintaining stable performance during heavy workloads. Overall, this GPU combines powerful AI capabilities, efficient cooling, and compact design, making it an excellent choice for gamers and creators seeking high performance in a modern, space-efficient build. Now our second product is Gigabyte computer graphics card. This graphics card, powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, delivers strong next-generation performance for gaming and creative workloads. Based on the GeForce RTX 5060, it offers a solid balance of power and efficiency for modern PC builds. With 8 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory and a 128-bit interface, it ensures smooth gameplay, faster data handling, and improved responsiveness in demanding applications. PCIe 5.0 support further enhances bandwidth, making it ready for the latest high-performance systems. The WindForce cooling system keeps temperatures under control during heavy gaming sessions, providing stable performance and better long-term reliability. It efficiently dissipates heat, allowing the GPU to maintain consistent boost clocks. Overall, this graphics card is a great choice for gamers and creators looking for a powerful, efficient, and future-ready GPU with strong cooling and next-gen features in a well-balanced package. Our third product is ASUS computer graphics card. This graphics card, powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, delivers strong next-generation performance for gaming and creative workloads. It is SFF-ready, making it an excellent choice for small form-factor builds without sacrificing power or efficiency. The axial tech fan design improves cooling performance with a smaller fan hub, longer blades, and a barrier ring that increases downward air pressure, ensuring effective heat dissipation even under heavy load. In addition, the phase-change GPU thermal pad enhances heat transfer, helping to maintain lower temperatures for more stable and reliable performance. Its 2.5-slot design strikes a great balance between compact size and cooling capability, allowing wider compatibility with different PC cases while still ensuring efficient thermal management. Overall, this GPU combines advanced architecture, efficient cooling, and compact design, making it a smart choice for users who want high performance and a space-saving and reliable graphics solution. Now number 4, Gigabyte computer graphics card. This graphics card, powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, delivers outstanding next-generation performance for gaming, content creation, and AI-driven workloads. Built on the GeForce RTX 5070, it offers a strong balance of power and efficiency for modern high-end systems. With 12 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory and a 192-bit memory interface, it ensures smooth performance, faster data processing, and excellent handling of demanding AAA games and creative applications. The PCIe 5.0 interface provides increased bandwidth, making it ready for the latest motherboards in future upgrades. Its NVIDIA SFF-ready design also allows it to fit into compact builds without compromising performance, making it suitable for both full-size and space-saving PC setups. Overall, this GPU combines powerful architecture, high-speed memory, and future-ready connectivity, making it an excellent choice for gamers and professionals who want top-tier performance in a versatile and efficient design. And our last choice is Gigabyte computer graphics card. This graphics card, powered by NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4, delivers excellent next-generation performance for gaming and creative workloads. Based on the GeForce RTX 5070, it offers a powerful balance of speed, efficiency, and advanced features for modern PC users. With 12 GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory and a 192-bit interface, it ensures smooth gameplay, fast data processing, and reliable performance in demanding AAA titles and professional applications. The PCIe 5.0 support provides higher bandwidth and future-ready compatibility with the latest systems. The WindForce cooling system effectively manages heat, keeping the GPU stable during intensive gaming sessions. It enhances airflow and thermal efficiency, ensuring consistent performance and long-term durability even under heavy load. Overall, this graphics card combines powerful architecture, high-speed memory, advanced connectivity, and strong cooling, making it an excellent choice for gamers and creators seeking top-tier performance and reliability in a modern GPU. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.